Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the customized cutout in the Capcut PC apps. So after you add your video that you want to edit, and just go to video and select cutout. So you can find the customized cutout. Just turn on this picture. Okay, so you can select smart brush or smart erasers to remove the background, or keep the background, or remove the object from your video. So for example, I'm going to keep the cat in this video, the object on this video, and I'm going to remove the background using customized cutout. So just click smart brush and brush the object or element in the video that you want to keep. Okay, automatically select it. Okay, if you are done, just click apply, and this is okay, as you can see, the cat is keep and the background has been removed. Okay, I think this video very simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.